Joseph.
And then you'll go to pick it up one day and the battery will be drained. And you'll be like, oh yeah, if I had only left the battery.
This cute baby is so calm. Joseph, what are you thinking? Oh, no, don't start crying. Oh. Look at your fish, look at your fish. Jonathan, can you pull a thing on the fish? Do it again. You like your fish, Joseph? Lola gave you that fish, huh? He's looking at the camera, too.
Lola gave it to me.
Oh, yeah, that's what I said.
You said mama.
No, I said Lola.
Oh.
Oh, okay.